Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Deborah. In today's video, we are going to be doing a full face of one of the bougiest brands there is, Il Makiage. And they have fun little sayings like more is more and anti-minimalist messaging, which is like right up my alley. So when they reached out to me, I was like really excited because I like your stuff. So anyways, that's enough chit chat. We are going to get right into this video. I did already do my foundation and concealer and brows, as you maybe can tell. I did use the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in 50. I used the Il Makiage BFF Perfecting Concealer in shade 3. And I really like their concealer bottle. It's really cool. It's got this like twist up little thing. Beep, boop, beep. I mean, how cool is that? Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Oh, and for my brows, I used the Il Makiage, once again, brow pen in brown. So I'm gonna go do one eye off camera as per usual, and then I'll be right back to get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm back and better than ever. And as you can see with your very own eyes, I have finished this eye. So let's just get right into this tutorial, shall we? So for today's eye look, we are going in with the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad in Trendsetter. And we are going to start off with our transition shade. And we are going in with... we're going in with the color Do Your Thing. And we're taking that in on a Smith 232 brush. And these eyeshadows are very creamy and such a delight. So we're just building up that transition shade. Just starting in the outer corner and then working the product in. And then dusting what's left onto the inner corner there. And then swirling it out. Now we're going in with the color Killing It. And we're taking that in on a Smith 247 brush and we're placing that just a little bit lower into the crease area. Just to start building up that dark color. And again, we're starting in the outer corner and working our way in. And just blend until your arms fall off, you know. Once your arms fall off, you'll know your eyeshadow looks right. Moving right along then. Now we are going to go in with the color Red Bottoms. And we're gonna take that in on an Alamar Cosmetics flat shader brush. And we're just going to put that all over the lid. And look at that rich color payoff. They're so creamy. It's like crazy how creamy they are. You don't even need to spray your brush to get the color payoff that you want. And we're not covering the whole lid because we're gonna add some of that dark color back into the outer corner. So now that that color's on, we're going to go back in with the color Killing It. And we're gonna take that in with the Il Makiage 188 cream shader brush. And we're just going to pat that into the outer corner here to blend that onto the lid shade. Ooh, look how nice that's coming out. Yes. Beauteous. We killing it. And now I'm just adding in more of the color Do Your Thing. Back in with the same Smith 232 brush, just to make sure both sides match. And going back in with the color Do Your Thing, or no, Killing It. The color Killing It, because we're killing it. On the Smith 247 brush, just to make sure that that shade is as high up on this side as it is on the other side. Now I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with the color Shopaholic. And I'm taking that in on a Sigma E30 brush. You can use code DeborahJen at checkout to save yourself some monies, boy. And we're just highlighting that inner corner. Look how creamy and beautiful that is. So pigmented. Boom. Whew, I'm getting sweaty. But it's okay. We're just gonna move right on. Now we are going to do our eyeliner. And we are going to use the Il Makiage liquid lipstick in the color Matte Drama. And we are gonna take that in on a Sigma E06 brush. Again, use code DeborahJen. And we are just going to get a little bit on our brush here and then just draw on our wing. So every time you do a wing, you just wanna say a prayer to little baby Jesus and the gods of the wings and ask them to give you favor during this difficult time. And once you've said your prayers, you can go in and start doing your thing. And boom, now that our wing has been wung, we can just keep this train rolling. Whew. Whew, and it is hot in here. Got some under boob sweat going on here, but we're gonna be a-okay. We're gonna be a-okay. Whew, hotter than a mother. What should we do next? Let's move on to the under eye. That's what we're gonna do. We are going to go in with the color Killin' It. And we're taking that in on a Morphe M326 brush, and we're gonna just keep that as close to the lash line as possible. Woo, got a little bit in my eye, but it's fine. We're gonna be just fine, people. Now we're gonna go in with the color Dio Thang, and we're taking that in on a Luxie 121 brush, and we're just going to dust that under the first color to smoke out that lower lash line, darling. It's all coming together quite nicely. And our eye is practically done here, people. Can ya frickin' believe it? It's unbelievable. Okay, now we are going to tightline the upper lash line. Take two. We are going to tightline the upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs fine liner, just to darken up that bitch, you know, and make sure that the false eyelashes will blend in quite nicely. Now we're just going to put on a little bit of Il Makiage mascara in the color black to, you know, make those lashes blend quite nicely. We just want to darken them up before we put on our falsies. Boom, people, they're darkened. Now we're going to keep this train rolling on this fast pace, and we're going to put on our false lashes. Okay. Okay. And we're going in with the Il Makiage false lashes, the number 8. So I'm just gonna pop these lashes on real quick off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that our lashes are on, we are gonna keep this train rolling, people, and we're going to finish up the face and then get out of here. So I know I said this was a full face of just Il Makiage, but
I'm a liar.
I didn't get a contour shade from them, so we're going to contour the face with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and we're going to go in with this middle shade here. We're going to contour the face with the Luxie 512 small contouring brush, and I like to take that in on the side of the brush, and then just down the cheeky cheeks to really make those cheekbones pop, you know what I'm saying? And while we're contouring, let's contour the nose as well with the Sigma E38 brush. Use code DOUBLEJEN, you know, save yourself some monies. And we're just going to take that down the side of the nose to make it look skinny. And we'll soften that up in a bit. So if it looks a little harsh, just you wait, Mr. Higgins, just you wait.
Just you wait, Henry Higgins, just you wait.
Now we're gonna bronze up the face with the Il Makiage Wannabe Mineral Baked Bronzer. And we're gonna take that on our Morphe E2 for the forehead to just, you know, make it look like we have a nice short forehead instead of this 10 head that God blessed us with. And we're gonna go in on the cheeks with the Japonesque highlight and contour brush. And now that we are contoured, darling, to the gods, we are going to go in with the Il Makiage Mineral Baked Blush in Toxic, because I'm toxic. And we are going to just take that in on our Sephora blush brush, and this is a very intensely pigmented color, so you want to make sure you top off the excess, and then just, there are like dogs fighting outside. So you want to tap off the excess and then just pat it onto the cheeks and bring it up into the hairline to make sure everything blends quite nicely. We're just beating it right into the face. Maybe that's why they call it face beat to the gods. Now we're going to do some baking to clean up some of the mess that we have created. If these dogs are ever going to stop fighting, my God. Okay, we're just gonna move right past it. I don't have time. I don't have time to wait for these dogs. So we are just going in with the RCMA No Color Powder and the Morphe E47 brush, and we're stamping out the center of the nose just to bake, you know, and clean up some of that crazy contour that we did. I like to do the center and the sides of the nose. And then we're also going to bake under our contour on our cheeks, and I'm just using my Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge for this. These dogs are really, really acting up out there. I don't know what is going on. Is there a dog fighting ring in my alley? I don't know, people. I do not know. Anywho's, while we bake, let's highlight. We are going to highlight with this amazingly beautiful Il Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter in Diamonds. And let me just swatch this for you because, ooh, girl. Can you see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Bitch. Hello. So we're gonna highlight these cheeks because, baby, we deserve it. It's what we deserve. Ooh. Yes, bitch. Yes. Ooh. Ooh, bitch. Baby, you're worth it. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh, and we're using the Morphe M501 brush. I was just so distracted by this highlighter, I forgot to say. I love a pink highlight. There's almost nothing I love more in this whole world, besides my dog, of course, than a pink highlight. Ooh, bitch. We look wet. Ooh. Ooh, can you see that? Oh my God. That highlight though. Okay, I mean, we are glowing for the gods. And now we're just gonna wipe off this bake, and that'll also help soften the nose contour that we went so deeply hard on. And boom, it's veiled, darling. And then we're freaking done, people. Except, I mean, obviously I know I look like trash, you know. So I'm gonna go do my hair off camera, put on a respectable shirt, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. And I finished doing my hair. And while I was doing my hair, I realized, oh my God, I didn't do my lips and I'm out here claiming my whole makeup is done. So, I don't know what's wrong with me, but we are going to finish our lips and we're going to line our lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. And then we are just going to fill the lips in with the lip liner. And then we're going to top it with some Il Makiage lip gloss. And we're using the Il Makiage lip gloss in the color Nude. Ooh, my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is poppin'.
My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be poppin'.
Okay, and now our lips and our whole face are done for real. Except I forgot to put earrings in, so hold on. Okay, now finally, after all that hullabaloo and much ado about nothing, we are done with this makeup look, ladies and gentlemen. So what do you think? I think these products are beautiful. I think the eyeshadow has great pigmentation. Can we have no peace and quiet? Apparently not. Anyways, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I like these products. The blush is beautiful. Oh my God, that pigment though. The highlight might be my favorite thing on this earth. I mean, look at that glow. Oh my God. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this makeup look, what you think of Il Makiage, if you like their brand messaging that they're like so bougie, or if you think they need to tone it down. And like, I disagree, but I still want to know, you know what I mean? So anyways, leave a comment below what brand you'd like to see me do a full face of next. And don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously. I don't know why I didn't say that before. I hope you liked and I hope you subscribed. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you had fun watching and I hope you join me again. Goodbye.